Here's how to delete books from your Kindle. If this video helps, please consider liking or subscribing. And let's go ahead and show you. So this is a used Paperwhite 5 I recently got, and there's some books that are left on it in Chinese, and so I'm going to be removing all of them. So this is what you have to do. First, go ahead and go to the library from home. Then we're going to go ahead and go to each book that we want to remove. Hold it down, and once you hold it down, you'll see this menu pop up. Then we're going to go ahead and push remove downloaded. And as simple as that, there we go, it removed your download. And then so you would just go to each book that you want to remove, hold it down for a few seconds, and remove downloaded. And that's pretty much it. Let's show you one more time. Hold it down, and then you'll see this menu, and it says remove downloaded. And go ahead and click that. The book will disappear from your device, but it will be available in your Amazon library if you want to download it again later. And if you see permanently delete, selecting it will remove the book from your library permanently. Only use this if you are sure you no longer want the book. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. That's how you remove books from your Kindle. You can always download them again later if you're still in your library. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.